So I made a amazing discovery just now. Picked up this old power wheel. It's got all kinds of black widows and spider living in, you know, its whereabouts, all the cracks and stuff. Anyways, I was killing it with this flame torch I got, and actually just kind of brushed it against this sun-beaten plastic right here. So plastic is way beaten up by the sun. You can't even, I don't know how would I even repair that, to be honest with you. So I just kind of like accidentally did this, and let me see if I can get this to oh my goodness, it's like a brand new finish. Man, look at that glossiness on it. Man. Anyways, there you have it. Now that's how you fix sun damaged plastic. Just a little heat. Of course, something I guess you could Google and find out on YouTube yourself, but I thought it was just pretty cool just to find this out, you know, on my own. These are Power Wheel Jeep. Picked up off the street for street cleaning. Was missing the battery, so I took the battery out of this little guy here. Connected it. Pressed the gas pedal, got nothing. Ran it to the motors, pressed the gas pedal, and I got action. So I was like, it's got to be something further up the wires. So if you look closely, one of the wires is disconnected. Power. So this power cable was never going to the whole power train here. That's why it was not operating as it should. So once I get that fixed, it should start running like it should. Okay, so we got the power cable fixed. Basically, I just replaced the adapter here with a new one, and just got the battery connected to see if make sure it's all correct here. Press on the gas pedal, and we have motion. And there you have it, folks. Just a simple fix for something that didn't need to be thrown out.